Hey guys, how's it going? This is Danesh here and we are at Jumbo in Mall of the Emirates. Today we're unboxing the all-new S21 Ultra 5G. So one thing you'll notice as soon as you have the box in your hand is that it's got a super slim profile. That most probably will have to do with the fact that there is no charger in the box anymore. Once we get the box open, the first thing that you're bound to see, is the device itself. Now we'll come to this in just a second. You get some stickers, and okay. First things first, documentation. Then you've got a Type-C to Type-C cable. And that's pretty much it. You also get the SIM tool, which you always did, but as you can see, no charger. So this is the S21 Ultra. The first thing you'll notice as soon as you get the device in your hand is this new design. It's what Samsung calls the contour cut design. The idea basically is that instead of having a bump, now it does have a bump still, but it's put into the design of the phone where you don't feel it, you don't see it. It doesn't look as obtruse as most other camera bumps do, and that is something that I definitely like about this. Obviously, the other thing that you can see is that there are a whole load of cameras. So the Samsung S21 Ultra comes with the highest specification as far as Samsung offers. You've got a 108 megapixel camera, you've got two telephoto lenses, and I'll come to why there are two telephoto lenses, but you've also got an ultra wide angle camera. Now the reason they have two telephoto lenses is because last year they introduced the space zoom. The idea of the space zoom was to zoom, exactly. But what would happen is when it would go up to 100x, it would not be able to stabilize. With two telephoto lenses now, stabilization has been heavily improved. Now the second and most important thing obviously that you're going to notice as soon as you have the phone set up is this gorgeous 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's a Quad HD Plus display, and it has, I think there is no denying that Samsung makes some of the best displays on the market. It's got a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz, but goes as far low as 11 Hz depending on your usage. That's something that you can adjust in the settings as well and leave it adaptive. Now one of the things that's vastly improved from last year's S20 Ultra is the processor inside this. The Samsung S21 Ultra comes with their own proprietary Exynos 2100 supported by 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, and this particular model has 256 GB of storage. Another thing about the Samsung S21 Ultra is that it runs Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.1, a really nice and clean operating system with a flat design, great colors, and really works with the phone. Considering the phone has 5G, a large display, a powerful camera, you do need battery to back that up, and this phone has a 5000 milliamp battery to keep you going right through your day. Now if you're liking what I'm saying about the S21 Ultra and you want to come check it out, you can make your way to Mall of the Emirates or any Jumbo store and you will see, you can come check and feel the device over there. But considering the times that we live in, if you don't want that, Jumbo has some amazing ways for you to get the device. The first is you can get this. If you're watching the video right now, you can get this delivered to you in under 4 hours with Jumbo's express delivery service. But if you don't want that as well, you can do what is called the curbside pickup, whereby you come to the mall and just get into the parking and it will be delivered to you right in your car. The Samsung S21 Ultra costs dirhams 4899. But Jumbo does also offer their EMI options. You can check those out in the store or on jumbo.ae. So this is the unboxing of the S21 Ultra. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share, and thank you very much for watching.